In this guide, I'm going to show you how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, open up the Instagram app and you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right and then tap those three lines up in the top right and open up Account Center up at the very top. You're going to see a section on here called Your Information and Permissions. Go ahead and open that up. And then go ahead and select Export Your Information up at the very top. It may prompt you to log in. If it does, just go ahead and log in. If not, simply hit Create Export, and then from here, select your Instagram account, and you want to do Export to Device. From here, what you want to do is go through here and just hit Start Export. I'd make sure that the date range right here says all time though. Just keep in mind it may take a little bit longer to export, but scroll down on here, hit Start Export, and what it's going to do is begin a file, and it's going to notify you whenever it's ready to either your email, so make sure that is set correctly, or it'll also notify you on the Instagram app as well. As soon as it's ready, download the file to your phone and then open up the file in your Files app, unzip it, and go to the Connections folder. And inside, you're going to see Followers List and Following List. To compare them, use a list comparison tool online or just upload or paste your following list as one list and then, your followers as the other. And the people you follow who are not following you back are the accounts that may have unfollowed you or never followed you back in the first place. That's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.